Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy BNB on the Binance app. To get started, firstly you need to open the Binance app on a device and make sure you are signed into your account. And next you need to go to this market here on the bottom. And from here in the top there's this search, you need to select that and type down BNB and search for it. So from here you need to select one BNB. And over here, once you select that, you need to select the buy in the bottom and you need to follow the on-screen instruction here. And over here, you can also select the currency that you want to pay with, then search and enter the amount of BNB you would like to buy. And if everything looks correct, you can follow the on-screen instruction by confirm or continue to complete your purchase. And depending on your payment method, you may be asked to complete additional security verification. And after that, you can confirm the payment with your bank. And that is it. That is how you can buy BNB on the Binance app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.